On the live stream. So we are overbought. Obviously, being overbought does mark some sort of top. You know, we were overbought here. We got a correction, and then we were extremely overbought here, but we actually did reset on the RSI, but we made a higher high, which is very bullish, which is, generally speaking, this is exactly what you want to see. However, if we do get a pull down, we will look at areas of support, and then if we do get a continuation up, we'll look at the targets on the upside. So as of right now, it looks like we did have a 618 retracement, and we did get stuck at the 618 at around $20. The next target on the upside is getting to $24, which I think is another 20%, 25% from the current price. And then on the downside, Chainlink on the shorter time frame absolutely needs to stay over $15 to $17. So that is crucial support for Chainlink. As long as it stays over this box, then you are going to get a continuation up, and the targets on the upside are valid. But at any point, if we do get a sell-off and it has a retracement, it doesn't hold this box. Otherwise, we are going to get a bigger drop back down. But regardless, I mean, Chainlink looks like a pretty solid structure. You are just making higher highs and higher lows across the board. I mean, you have been for a very long time now. I mean, you're in this channel perfectly. So I mean, I do see the next move up being large and impulsive, and it should be something like this where it does take us to the next high. Obviously, the next high is getting back to the previous all-time high at 50. But again, in the shorter time frame, we have a lot of areas of resistance to break. So those are what we'll look at. So you're not going to get disappointed if we go up, say, to $20 like we are, and then we get a retracement to 15. You're not like, oh, I hate crypto. You're more like, oh, okay, so like there's a healthy correction. Like the RSI was overbought. So obviously we're going to get some sort of selling coming in. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. I hope that all made sense. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and thank you.